morning and assalamu alaikum dear student. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic about our teeth. We have teeth in our mouth. Teeth help us bite food. Teeth help us chew food. Chewed food is easy to swallow. Teeth are fixed into our jaws. Different teeth do different jobs. Now we will see the comparison between milk teeth and permanent teeth. A baby began to cut its first set of teeth at the age of 6 months. These teeth are called baby teeth or milk teeth. Children lose their first teeth and grow another larger set. These teeth are called permanent teeth. Now we see the parts of a tooth. The first one is enamel. Enamel is a hard outer layer. Layer under enamel is called dentine. Next is pulp. Pulp is a soft inner part. Root holds tooth in a jawbone. The last one is gum. Gum covers the tooth. Next is types of teeth. There are three main types of teeth. The number one is incisors. Incisors are our front teeth. The sharp incisors are for cutting food. Second one is canines. On either side of the incisor is a pointed tooth called canine. Canines are used for tearing food. Next type is molars. Molars are at the back of the mouth. They have platforms on them. They are used for crushing food. Now we see what is tooth decay. When we eat, small bits of food get stuck into our teeth and gums. Gums grow very well in the food particles and make a sticky layer. This layer is called plaque. Plaque can rot or decay our teeth. Here are some tips how we care our teeth. We can keep our teeth healthy by brushing our teeth after breakfast and before going to bed. Next one is drink milk daily, eat healthy food and avoid too many sweets and fizzy drinks. If we follow these tips, we can keep our teeth healthy. These are the back exercise and question answers of this chapter. I hope it helped you understand the topic better. Thank you.